Hello everybody, welcome back to my channel. I have some biscuits that I've made, and so I thought today I'll cook up some pork chops to go with those biscuits, because who don't like a good pork chop biscuit? Now, these pork chops I get at the grocery store, they're sliced really thin so they cook up quick. And I put a little olive oil in the pan. Just lay my pork chops in. See how thin these are? They'll cook in no time. Oh yeah. I'll put a little salt. Little pepper. Ooh, those are popping all over me. So we just cook these. I don't know, just 3 or 4 minutes on each side probably. It doesn't take long because they're so thin. Hope y'all are having a great day. It's always a pretty good day when you get to eat pork chops and biscuits especially. I do love a pork chop biscuit. And if you didn't see my biscuit video, the recipe for it, go back. I think it was the previous one before this one. Very easy biscuits. Very, very easy. But these little pork chops here I get at the grocery store, they're really inexpensive because they're so thin. There's not much weight to them. I usually get a whole pack for like $3. There's usually like 5 or 6 pork chops in a pack. So it's a pretty good deal. So let's flip these over. Oh yeah, the browning up good. Browning up really good. Basically all it is. Pork chops with this salt and pepper, just brown them on both sides. Brown them on both sides and then they're done. They kind of curl up a little bit, so when I flip them again, I'll mash them down a little bit to make sure we get them cooked through that part that curls up. See how it kind of cups? I'm going to flip it over. Put that fatty side towards the inside of the pan. And then I'll press down a little bit on that side to press it down on there. Make sure we get it heated through. Plus that fat side on the inside of the pan, that's the hottest part of the pan there. So that will maybe kind of crisp that fat up a little bit too. Looking good. Oh yeah, looking really, really good. Okay, so these are done. What we're going to do is take them out here and put them on a plate. I don't know if you can see it that good, but they're brown. Nice juicy pork chops. That's it. It's that simple. Okay, these are done. Now, let me move this stuff out of the way. We'll get us a biscuit. All right, I like to use a serrated knife. That way it don't tear up the biscuit too much. You kind of go in there, cut that biscuit. Here, let's have this one. Oh, that looks good. Very hot, very, very hot. Don't that look good? I can tell you it's going to be good. Mmm. Oh my God, that's good. It's hot. I think that's one of my favorites is pork chop biscuits. Seasoned perfectly. That salt and that pepper. Oh my, that's good. That is so good, y'all. Well, I want to show you a little fast, simple snack for breakfast or lunch or dinner or whenever you want to fix it. Quick, easy, and it's very cheap too. With the biscuits and the pork chops, it doesn't cost that much money at the store, and it don't take that long to fix them. It's very quick, very easy. Thank y'all very much for watching. It means the world to me. Please like, subscribe, and share my videos. And tune in next time because I've got some more recipes coming up very, very soon. Thank y'all. Have a great day.